What's ChatGPT? Plus, a simple prompt to try today. If you're a small business owner juggling a dozen tasks a day, ChatGPT might be the time saver you didn't know you needed. It can help you get more done more efficiently so you can focus on what matters most. ChatGPT is like a smart digital assistant that can write, brainstorm, and answer questions in plain English. Think of it like hiring a really fast intern who never sleeps. It's like having a helpful assistant, no payroll, no training, and you don't need to speak tech to use it. Just ask it something like you'd ask a real person. The key to using ChatGPT is something called a prompt. It's just a clear instruction or question you give it. Just visit chat.openai.com, create an account, and you're ready to go. Here's a real example. Let's say you're a wellness coach for busy professionals, but you struggle to explain what you offer on your website. Try this prompt. You are an AI copywriter. I'm a small business owner who offers personalized wellness coaching for busy professionals. Please write a clear, benefit-focused description of my service that explains what I offer, who it's for, and how it helps. Keep the tone confident, conversational, and client-focused. Then add quick bullet points about your service. In just seconds, you've got a polished draft. You can fine-tune it by telling ChatGPT what you liked, what you didn't, and asking for changes with a quick follow-up prompt. That's just a glimpse of what AI can do with the right prompt. And there's so much more you can explore. Want more tips like these? Join my free newsletter. Thanks for watching.